How to fix no signal issue on Moto G77 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and volume up button at the time. Restart device from here. After restart device, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and you will see turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it not solved, so reinstall SIM. After install SIM card, you will see your problem is solved, but if it still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset option and click on reset network setting. After you click on reset network setting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, again click on settings app and search software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix no signal issue on Moto G77 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.